Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy gems in Clash Royale. First, as you can see, I have an amount of 105 gems inside my account. So if you want to add values or amount to it, you just need to head into the shop interface of the game, which can be found here in the bottom left corner of this screen. You just need to click the shop icon, and then as you can see here, there are different offers that Clash Royale offers, like the starter pack, this daily deals, and royal chess. But in order for you to buy gems, you just need to scroll down until you see this currency section or gems section, where you can select an amount of gems to purchase. So for example, I'd like to buy this. Just simply click on it and then select the payment method, where you can choose from GCash, Paymaya, or PayPal, and other forms of payment methods. So let's head back, and then once you have decided to buy these gems, just simply click the one tap buy. And that's how you can buy gems in your Clash Royale account, and thank you for listening.